Hey friends, Min from On a Stamp Page here. Pardon my voice, I'm getting over a little bit of a summer cold. But I am really excited to be here to share with you a card that I have made for the Turner Syndrome Awareness Auction. I'm making this card to support the Turner Syndrome Foundation, and a lovely friend reached out and asked me if I would make a card that will then be auctioned off and all the proceeds will go to this beautiful charity. So details for that are going to be down in my description box, and I just wanted to kind of take you along on the journey of me creating this card. So what I'm thinking about doing is I'm going to use this beautiful green argyle pattern as my main focal panel here on my card. And I haven't decided if I'm going to have it this way or this way. I'm kind of thinking this way. And I'm going to have my sentiment stamped right in the middle. My sentiment says, "You're in my thoughts." It's from this Thoughtful Branches Stampin' Up set. I'm going to stamp it in Memento Tuxedo Black. And then what I want to do is I want to cut out some of the flowers from these pattern papers that I haven't used and have been cut up to do some sort of a frame around this. So that's where we're going with this. Stick with me and let's see if we can get this done. This is going to be more of like just a process video. You watch me put the card together and it should be quick. So let's go. Now that I'm seeing how this is, I kind of want to put the "You're in my thoughts" actually on white paper so that it's like the green can be seen through the flowers, but the sentiment I want to pop out more. So I'm going to actually restamp this on white and I think frame it with a little bit more black, and we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to scoot this over and let's do that. Alright, so there is my beautiful card with all of the layering. I think I'm going to add just a little bit of sparkle, and also I might remove this leaf. Let's see if I can do it without killing it. Yep, I like that better. I think I'm going to stick this leaf actually over here because I feel like this over here needs just a little bit of dimension. There we go. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of sparkle. Sorry, I'm still like, no, I don't like that there. So I'm going to move it because I want to be able to add sparkle. So now that I've got this exactly how I want, it is ready for a little bit of sparkle. I am not sure if I'm going to do gems or sequins, so I'm going to go rummage around and then I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I found these lily white glitter sprinkles from Doodlebug Design, and I think that they are the perfect addition to this. So I'm going to add just a few, and then we will be done. All right, friends, there we have it. The beautiful You're in My Thoughts card using pattern paper to create a frame that's kind of three-dimensional. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to take a peek at how I created this card. Please make sure to check out the description box below so that you can learn more about the Turner Syndrome Awareness card auction that's going on. And until next time, hugs and happy stamping, friends. Bye.